Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. So you guys, this is going to be a recap from last night because we cooked the steaks. You guys are gonna see in this video, but we ended up not loving it. And at first we thought it was just the elk that we did not enjoy, but it ended up also being the beef. So we spent, how much was it, babe? Like $30, right? It was like $40 on our order, so we didn't want to like throw it away or feel like we wasted our money. So we were thinking last night, like, how could we make this better? And I was thinking like maybe some tacos, or like, you know, street style tacos or something with cilantro and cebolla to kind of like mask that flavor. That was the thing, like the flavor of the meat itself, it was just, I can't describe it. I feel like it was very a bloody taste. Like that's all I tasted when I was eating. Like, I don't know, the seasoning and the grill's flavor, I feel like tasted really good at first, like when you're first enjoying it, but as you got that aftertaste, it tasted really bloody, and it just kind of ruined the whole. Wanted to barbecue some steaks that we got that I was so excited to try. I've always wanted to try elk steaks, and so has my hubby, because I don't know if you guys watch Joe Rogan here on YouTube. Like, I know he has a podcast and like always talks about elk, how elk is really good for you.
Believe you.
Yo, are you gonna bring some elk?
I told you I'll cook some.
I'm ready. I'm ready, man. I want to see what they say in the streets. What's all this fuss is about? I want some elk, son. Yo, everywhere I go, motherfuckers say, "Did you try the elk?"
That's all I know how to cook.
Is it gamey?
No, it's not gamey. It's not like, there's a weird taste that people associate with like.
Really good for you. It has a lot of protein in it, and I've always wanted to try it. Like, he says that that's his main source of protein. Like, he loves elk. So I was like, you know what, if I ever get the chance to try it, like, I want to try it. And I had mentioned it to my hubby, and he's like, how about we like look for some online and we order it and like we try it out. So we already have the meat defrosted, you guys, and let me just show you. It came in this little package, and I feel like it already looks different from steak. Like, they look similar, but this almost looks a little bit more purple, more maroon. And then we also got regular sirloin steak. I bought this seasoning. This is the Montreal steak seasoning. I feel like this is a really good flavored one. We have all the meat in here. I melted some butter. The elk's at the bottom. The steak's at the top. Yes, my love. Look how different they look. We already seasoned the steak and the elk. It's crazy because the beef has more of like a scent, and I feel like the elk doesn't smell like nothing. So I'm gonna let this marinate probably for a few hours, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do for the sides. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and just do baked potatoes. Onion. Put it on the... Good job. Potato. Good job. Thank you for helping, helper. Ooh. Potato. We're gonna bake We're not baking. We're gonna put it in the grill. Good job.
Alright.
So the elk is not, that's beef. That's the beef. And yeah, that's the beef. You see how it's fatter?
Yeah.
And the elk is really thin.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
So this I gotta be careful with. Since they're thinner,
Yeah.
keep them away from the fire. Good.
Yeah.
Close it.
So you guys, I'm gonna make some baked beans for our steaks because my hubby loves baked beans. He loves these, the honey sweet ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these in. Oh, the pasta's already like boiling right here. So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and add butter and do like my stovetop mac and cheese. I'll have a video already. I'll link it right here. And seriously, that's like my favorite mac and cheese because it's just so fast and easy, you guys. This is ready. I'm gonna add in our noodles. Show you the meat. So excited to try this out. So I'm gonna start plating everything for everybody, and then I'll give you guys a little taste test on the elk.
How do they look?
This looks good.
Damn. Did you cut it and show? Look at that. The grill marks.
Ooh, looks nice. Cut the elk. Taste it. Guys, I'm about to taste this elk.
After 30 seconds in, 45 seconds, it does taste gamey.
It has like such a good taste right when you're eating it. Like beef, like regular beef, but then towards the end, you know it's not beef. Like it's just like a different flavor. And like all the videos that we were watching, they'd all say it was gamey. And we're like, what does that even mean? But let's try making it Asian flavored. So we got some ingredients and we're just gonna make basically a teriyaki sauce to throw over the beef, and I'm gonna make some white rice and some veggies to see if we can make it taste a little bit better. So let's go ahead and make a sauce. With the sauce, starting with soy sauce, of course. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or sake, or rice vinegar would be good too. Whew, that smells strong. And then water, I'm gonna go put some water. Sugar, it's said 1 tablespoon, so. Easy. Tablespoon of sugar. Do a little bit more since we want it sweet. to just steam the meat. Alright you guys, so over here I'm gonna start with the vegetables so they can start kind of cooking and steaming too.
It's good. There's carrot.
Last night on the grill, basically they're already cooked. We just wanted to get the sauce on them. This is the steak and the elk together, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, we're gonna be in for a surprise with every bite.
Yeah, we don't know which one.
Alright you guys, so verdict, here is my meal. We got the steak, some rice, and vegetables. Philip already tasted it and he said that he can still taste I think it's like the freshness of the animals, since this is from a farm. This isn't from like the grocery store, and I think we're just not used to it, you know, that flavor, since when you go to the grocery store, everything's like, you know, I don't know, I think it's just so generic and it does not taste the same. Kind of like whenever I was younger and we'd go to Mexico, like I was so used to drinking milk from a gallon cart, and my family in Mexico was so used to drinking milk from the actual cow itself. And I could always taste that difference. Like you taste the difference, and I think that's what's happening with this meat and why, you know, we're not enjoying it like we thought we would, you know?
Because I make a bomb ass steak.
Yeah. Because Philip makes really good steaks. Like, but let's taste this.
Because the flavor is good.
So, yeah, you guys, it's good. The sauce itself is really good that I made for the steak, but the steak just tastes a little too bloody. Honestly, it just tastes bloody. Like aftertaste that tastes like, I don't know. I personally did not enjoy it, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat that beef, you guys. So I'm just gonna eat the vegetables and rice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video trying out elk with us. Honestly, it wasn't what we expected. I don't know.
I think the sauces taste amazing. The seasoning tastes amazing.
Yeah, the seasoning from last night was delicious, which is the Montreal steak. That one's always A1. You know, the sauce that we did today to kind of cover the steak, I feel like it tastes really good and sweet. That's like a teriyaki sauce. It's just the steak, you guys, just not something, you know, we're used to. It's not. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.